Thank you again for wasting resources. It's alright though. Okay, so again, I repeat, Paw Patrol and sheriff's done left the house of Lori Jones and baby. Damn, look at this, I'm getting it. Hey. Hair's tickling my face, it's alright. Alright, so now that that's done and out of the way, now we can finish the process of the processing. We are doing great. We are doing great. So, yeah, we got an appointment. Well, not me, but my child. So we're getting ready to go to her appointment. But Paw Patrol and the sheriffs just left. Yeah, they were amazing. They were great. I showed them some screenshots and stuff like that, and I said, look at this shit. So yeah, but they weren't here long at all. They were not here long at all. Thank you. I'm just checking in at the 8:25. You know, they're still you know, roaming the streets of the apartment. Let me tell you. Whoa. But yeah, Leia wouldn't stay off the officers. She just wouldn't. I said, I'm so sorry. She's a puppy. She's a puppy. He says, yeah, we know you, Lori. He says, these people on TikTok, let me tell you. So, anyway, he says, yeah, I know, we watch. I said, I tried telling these motherfuckers, but nobody wanted to listen. But anyway. So, they did come, though. Please get that in the diary of dictionaries or whatever you want to do. That's what happened. They just left, actually. So, they're amazing. They are amazing. I'll tell you what. I even showed him things. He didn't even ask. I said, wait. No. I want you to see for yourself. Okay, so here's all the food. Here's all this. Here's all this. And here's all that. So that's what happened. That's what happened. It's going good. What are you burping about? Let's give him something to talk about. No, that one does not match very. Well, damn. Oh, we'll go with this one. Hi, like it. Oh, well, thank you. Oh. All right. Yeah, I know. Tell them about it. Or tell me about it. Tell them, whatever you want to tell them. I know, sissy, I know. You're allowed to free your mind, don't be so shallow. Oh, yes. Are you chewing my $100 bill rug? It's got a $100 bill on it, you guys. And Leia's over here chewing it. What the fuck? Come on, bro. I think this is about empty anyway. BAM! Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. Big? Good morning, sweetheart. Good morning. Come on, little mo. Good morning. Okay. Now what we need to do here is, oh man, the back. My leg. Well, I guess we can't wear that one because I'm just trying to, you know, get ready for the day and do it. Oh shit, think about it. And I did, thank you. Let's give them something to talk about. Morning, sweetheart. So again, I'd like to repeat Animal Patrol, Paw Patrol, and sheriffs just left a little bit ago. All went well. Thank you for asking. All went well. Promise. It really did go well. It did. I tell you, it did. Ooh. Oh, damn. Thank you. Yeah, it went real well. They were not here long at all. Not one bit. Not one bit. I mean, this is like what? Never mind. They came out before, and yeah, so now I'm a little. Yeah. Yep. Come on. Not now, baby. Let's give them something to talk about. Yeah, baby. You can, you do what you need to do. You hear me? Jin. You get rid of or whatever you want to. Believe that. I pay you mods. Oh. I pay you mods trillions and trillions of dollars. So, yeah. So, good morning. Yeah, you can do. Yeah. Wait, how many more days till the 3rd? Oh, shit! Oh, yeah, I gotta keep my calculations here. Alright, she does gotta get up to, oh, she got a little bit. Alright, fuck it. I'm gonna take these dogs out again, get them going. Let's get them on. Her face. Oh, what's happening? And I told her who did it, and all that, and she's good though. Just know everything's A-okay over here, I promise. How many times I gotta promise you? Let's give them something to talk about. Alright. Fair enough. And everything. Sissy, you only got a little bit, and then we gotta, you know who's gonna be here. Vices. Oh. Yeah. Oh shit, my medicine. Oh my gosh. Look, I'm forgetting. Oh boy. We'll get it together here. Leia, no. Lay. No. Don't be chewing her leg like that, babe. Sorry. I don't know. I do not know. I have not been outside yet. To talk about. Alright, that's babe, so she's got to take that. And then we need the long box. Long boxy! Hey, relax. Oh, you're very welcome for whatever I did. For whatever I did there, ma'am, sir, something. Whatever I did, you're welcome. Quick. Actually, guess what I'm about to do right now? I gotta get shoes. That's what I gotta get. That medication, I know. Let's give them something to talk about. Oh. Money, my bag, big mom, and my. So we're gonna wear these shoes to go with, what I got on the platform. Easy, baby. Tell her. We're going. Hold on. Don't you want me to wear shoes? You don't want me going out there barefooted, do you? I know, Boogie. Nah, tell me about it. Girl, tell me about it. Ouch. Hey. You guys won't be chewing on these today while I'm not here. Not today. No, ma'am. Okay. We're gonna take the dogs out on the east side of Chicago. Well, no. I do gotta take my medicine though. I ain't playing. I am not playing right now. Alright, real quick. Hold on, you little pookies. I cannot keep up with everything here. School notes. Okay, we got those. Gotta give those to the school. What's going on, Leah? What's happening, girl? Tell me about it. Oh, shit. Oops, sorry. Hope you didn't get a headache. Good morning. Alright, we're going, come on. Whatever you want to do, we're going. Let's go, right now. Oh, that's you. Come on, you know it. Go ahead, Friday. Go ahead. I love you, baby. Come on. It is fucking nice out. No far. Good morning. Don't go far. Pride. Pride. Let's give them something to talk about. About love. Sorry, I need this on real quick, you guys. I got a, garden here. Ow! Oh my gosh. What is going on here? Let's give them something to talk. Hey! Sorry, they don't like to listen here. It's okay. When do they? When do they? What's up, Leia? I'm right here, baby. Kitty patootie. Are they fighting? Wow, that's the first time. Oh no. They're just talking loud. That's all. They're just talking loud. They're loudly spokening. Oh, damn, did you guys hear that? That was the doorbell. That's all that was. That was the doorbell. Leia, pride. Lady sleepy man at home. The club is open. Club is jumping. Leia. Good girl. Good girls. That's my girls. Let's go. Good team. That's teamwork. Look at you both. Damn it. You're How about love? Good girl, baby. Come on, let's open this curtain real quick. We got a lot of shit to do here. Who the fuck's wanting in a box? Who the fuck they think they are? Oh, no. Okay, now, this is what we're doing here, is we're gonna put this up and get this. That's what we're gonna do. Let's give them some that. Now we gotta. Oh shit. Baby, you gotta start getting up, baby girl. Oh shit. You know what time it be. Are you laughing at me there, girl? Are you laughing at me, baby? Are you laughing at little old Lori here? Yeah. My freaking daughter, JJ, got booted, and I think they got her nannered or something. My baby girl, JJ. That's my baby. Yeah, she is 18. So, yeah. She's my TikTok daughter. And eventually she'll be my way, but she's doing big goals too and big girl things. She's been, doing schooling and, and college stuff. Tomorrow I go do my testing stuff, GED, and see where my brain farts are at. Yeah, I've known her for a long time. Long. That is my baby girl. That's my baby girl. All right. Where do I go? I gotta bring all this paperwork too. Fuck. That's probably what it is, carrying all this. Well, I don't think I'm gonna need it all. Oh, fuck, you never know. You never know. Just bring it. Boy. It's alright, we're just gonna bring it. The bag's heavy if you hurt my bag. I'm telling you. Ow. The fuck was that shit? So we are waiting for the maintenance people, and here we are on, what, day 4 now? Wow, unreal. Yeah, we're on day 4. They need to fix it, otherwise they're gonna have a much bigger problem on their hands. Because, wow, yeah, they need to come fix it. You're gonna make the issue worse than what it already is as of the moment. So I'm trying to, help you here, and oh, it's all right. It's all right. All right, I gotta put my slippers up. Oh shit. All right, so I gotta get. Oh my gosh, we're gonna get this all together here. I'm sorry, I gotta talk to myself. Slamming scammers, huh? Well, let me scam you out of your heart and let you be happy for once in your life. With being so and yeah, that's all. That's all right. They were in Naked Butterflies Live yesterday. Shit. Fuck. Never mind. I gotta text Nana. Fuck. She did text me this morning. But I do need to text her. I need to text Nana. Yo, I love my Nana. Let me tell you, I will ride motherfucking hard for Nana. That's my Nana banana. And I will tell my Nana to hush. She's my Nana. Mine. I will tell her. Shh. Hush. Shh. Hush. Shh. And I will disturb her if she's talking. Absolutely. I'm her niece, you know, grandbaby, whatever you want to call it. But I'm her. So yeah, I will tell her to hush before she says too much. Or I'll just tell her to hush just to piss you off. Trust, my Nana knows. She definitely knows what's up. Trust. Believe that. I need to get her to the States, though. That I'd love to do, you know. I mean, she does got a visa, so she could come here. But, you know, there's some rough on her end. Not rough, but, you know. Well, yeah, it is rough, you know. She's dealing with some loss and stuff, so, yeah. But, good girl. Oh, look at this. This has got a game on it, bro. A game. It's a nicotine patch. It's a nicotine, you know. That's probably what it is. I probably got it on, to... Well, what's... it's alright. It's okay. It's alright. It's okay. Tiki-talk. Land here. Uh-oh.